My name is Linda Rono. I'm with Dormans Coffee Limited. So Dormans Coffee was founded in 1950 and we have been roasting and packing quality coffee since then. We have our range of roasted coffee, syrups, instant coffee and drip coffee bags. And we're also sampling our brewed coffee to the expo attendees. The experience has been great. We've had a lot of visitors coming in. Some of them know our coffees, if not all of them, but what they needed was more information, which we were able to provide. So most of the customers who came here, some of them do not have the coffee makers at home, but still want to enjoy coffee. And with that, we have our instant coffee that you only need to have hot water, and we also have our drip coffee bags, which only need to have hot water. And the good thing about these drip coffee bags, they're very new in the market. It's our latest innovation, and the customers have actually responded to it very well. We're celebrating 75 years of coffee excellence. So what we want to assure our coffee lovers is that we'll continue with the quality, we'll maintain the consistency and include innovation. For this year alone, we have a lot lined up, so stay tuned. But for the future, we still want to keep on with our sustainability efforts. We want to ensure that the community still stays empowered and caffeinated, and through our Nairobi School of Coffee, which is a premier barista training school in not only in Kenya but across Africa. We premiered the Kenya National Barista Championships in 2004, and with that we've empowered and given upcoming baristas and the youth a platform where they can showcase their talent, and with that they can sustain themselves economically. Love to tell our consumers that we're listening to them, we love them, and our range of coffee products cater to each and every person.